In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in Notion database. Whether you're managing a complex project or just trying to keep track of your daily to-dos, setting up recurring tasks in Notion can be a game changer for your productivity. So let's dive right in and go through the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Notion workspace. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand menu. This is where you'll find a list of all your pages and databases. From here, click on the specific page where you want to manage your tasks. This might be a project management page, a personal planner, or any other customized area you've set up for organizing your tasks. Next, with your chosen page open, look towards the top of your screen for the New button. To the right of this button, you'll see a small down arrow. Click on this arrow to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu provides additional task creation options beyond the standard new entry, so it's a useful feature to familiarize yourself with. From the drop-down menu, select New Template. This will open a template creation window. Templates in Notion are incredibly powerful because they allow you to preset certain elements or tasks that you find yourself repeating often. In this case, we are going to set it up for a recurring task. In your new template, you can start adding the details of your recurring task. For instance, if you're setting up a weekly review, you might include fields for objectives, notes, and sections for tracking progress. You can customize these fields according to your needs. Once you've set up your task template, make sure to save it. You'll notice there's an option to add dates, tags, and other properties that can help with filtering and organizing your tasks later on. Now, to make your task truly recurring, you can automate this process. While Notion doesn't have built-in recurring task functionality like some other productivity apps, you can create a workaround by scheduling reminders or using integrations with other tools like Zapier to duplicate your task template at regular intervals. This way, your tasks will appear as fresh entries in your database when you need them. And that's it! With these steps, you've set up a system in Notion to manage recurring tasks effectively. By using templates and automation tools, you can ensure that your important tasks never slip through the cracks. I hope you find this method as helpful as I do in keeping your workflow organized and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!